Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I would love to share with you guys on how I managed to clear my acne. As you can see, this is how my skin looks like. Let me just try to come a little bit closer. I used to have all the spots around and on my sides, and of course here in my chest, but as you can see now it's clear. So if you're interested to know how I cleared them, so let's get into the video. So as you can see, this is how my skin looks like now, and I did not apply makeup apart from doing my eyebrows. I just added my moisturizer cream, which I do use. As you can see, also close to my chest, I still have some little bit of spots, but the acne, they're totally gone. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe and comment. See you in my next video. Bisous. Tip number 1. So what I used was black soap. This is the type of the soap which I used to use, and now it's part of my routine. This is the soap which I do use to wash all over my body. As you can see, I have a lot of them. I bought this pack from Amazon and it's really very cheap, so this helped me to clear all the dark spots. You wash your face and you leave a little bit the soap or the mousse for 15 minutes. I know once you use this soap your skin gets too dry. What you need to do is just, as long as you finish to rinse, you moisturize your skin immediately. Tip number 2, I do use this cleansing gel. Once I'm done with the black soap, then I cleanse my face always, and that has helped me a lot to clear my acne. Tip number 3, I took an appointment with a dermatologue, that's how we call them in French. So she tested my skin and she knew the type of the spots which I do have, so she suggested me to use this type of cream. It's just to take off the acne, and as you can see, it's for point black or blackhead spots and acne, of course. So in French it's written points noir is points black. So I do apply this cream in the morning and evening, and as you can see, these are the results after 2 months. I'm really very happy because it worked for me, but I'm just sharing. Maybe it could not work for you as well, but thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe and comment. See you in my next video. Bye bye.